Welcome back, viewers of the YouTube. So this is a quick video just for the Royal Enfield UK Riders Facebook group. So obviously you guys have been super supportive, so it's a quick thank you to you. We're going to do a quick video just to show you the windscreen that's fitted to my Meteor Supernova. So this is the Givi large touring screen as available on the Hitchcock's website. It is a little bit of a upgrade or larger windscreen from the standard screen that is fitted to the Supernova. So Supernova windscreen is a 35cm item. This from headlight to tip is about 50-51 centimeters. Supernova. The only thing was the screen deflected quite a lot of wind noise right into my helmet, and because I'm trying to record videos on the bike, it wasn't that suitable for my uses. It's a little bit annoying to have that wind deflected right into the visor at my height. It might not affect you if you're 5'5" or 6'4", but at 5'11" I seem to be in the unlucky sweet spot for wind deflection. So because I'm going to use the bike a lot, I'm going to do a lot of long distance riding, I decided to look at screen options. There is the option just to take away the screen completely and ride without it, or use the small fly screen, which gives you a tiny bit of buffeting protection to the body. It wouldn't do anything for the helmet. But I decided to go out and experiment by this rather large touring windscreen. So if you come around here and just look at the windscreen, you've got four fitments. So these bars, they rotate around these mounting points, and then you've got two fitting to the top of the forks. So you've got a rubber here, this clamp here, which is quite difficult to access, and then that then fits onto there with various Allen keys and bolts. And then at the top here you've got two supporting bars that clip onto the handlebars, or brackets that clip onto the handlebars, bars, and then a rotational joint here which allows rotation in all three dimensions. Okay, so the screen itself is slightly curved here, I assume to provide some protection to the hands, and then it comes up quite high, quite a convex screen. So it bends around the rider, probably a little bit more so than the touring screen as fitted as standard. So I'll just sit on the bike, show you what it's like. This one is slightly tinted and covers most of me, and I'm 5'11". Okay, so as far as my experience of it, there is a video out which tells you, or lets you hear the wind noise, which is a little bit reduced because of this screen. The thing about the screen, which I should mention most if you are going to decide to go ahead and get one, is a bit of a pig to fit, because you've got to chop these bars. So as standard, these bars here are as long as these ones. And if you look, what would happen if this screen was fitted in this position and this bar came through all the way to here, as I turned the bike to lock, I would foul the gas tank. Sorry, I should say fuel tank. English people get mad when I say gas tank. Like that. Okay, so if you come around to this side, you'll be able to see that I did make a mistake when fitting it. I moved the bars a little bit, and I put a little scratch into my fuel tank, which I can't down there, which I can't see anymore. I've forgotten about it, but that did bug me at the time. Okay, so my initial thoughts are with the screen that it's really good. I hope you guys find this video interesting. It's just a short update. Shout out to everyone at the Royal Enfield Meteor 350 UK owners group, and thanks for supporting the channel, and I hope you found this interesting.